Okay, so here we go with our second part of making some more movement system. Okay, now I'm thinking about to create some mover type system like a block that usually goes somewhere, and after it will be give us a dynamic system to unlock something. Okay, we want to make it dynamic so we can use it for multiple purpose. Okay, so first let's create an actor called mover bp and drag and drop at here so we can move this thing. Now by default if we add a cube, okay, and then if I just enable the physics simulation and give a kg, okay, like suppose 100 kg, and now if I drag and drop it and click on play, you can see it's just move left or right. Even I don't want that, I want it should be in the same straight point. So for do that, there's an option called, let me just disable my other transfer system that I created. Okay, now what you need to do, simply go on constraint, just lock the position or look rotation, so it will not rotate anywhere. We have to lock it x and z. uh, I guess we have to lock only the y-axis because x-axis our object will be moved. Now it's all depends on your location. If you are going make it in x-axis or y-axis, so then you have to lock the x-axis, okay, but you don't have to do the z-axis. Now it will be always stay at this position, so you can see that's what you need. Okay, I had here a collisions to throw me, that's why it's giving. Okay, fine, now save this thing. Okay, now we have this thing. Now we need an actor to receiver, so let's create an actor called move receiver. So receiver move receiver. So this receiver will basically allow us to check is our blocks is collide there or not. Also I'll do one more thing. In my system mover, I'll drag and drop this thing at here. Now why? Also I'm going to create a simple make it a kind of like case for it, like so. Oh yeah, just duplicate it, ctr plus d, and I have to make it short, make sure that my this cube, okay, the mover, whatever I made it, so it should be come without any problem. Okay, so you can see it's there's no issue for that. So now, which is great. So this is actually why we have to put our mover to work fine. Okay, now I can simply drag and drop at here, suppose, and now like this. So now it should be go at here. So if it's go at this position, then I'm able to only go there. Okay, it's like this. So let me just give it a try. Oh yeah, I did some wrong. Let's push it some more. So that is the fun thing also, that I have to adjust the location accurately so I can actually make it go inside of it. Seems like I need something more. Let me just go to my receiver and some more. Just disable this grid, so I'll get little bit space so I can actually drag and drop my mover, I guess so. Look great. I think there's a little bit issue at here. Let's see why is the actually issue. Seems like it's are okay, but something is not okay. I guess for collision I will check it, but yeah, and I don't know why my screen has moved. Okay, however, so our mover BP is here, so we have now to give something like, if our this BP at here, so we can actually detect it that okay, this BP, like which one we give, that mover BP only here. So we'll need to basically give it a mover ref. So because I'm making it a dynamic, so we can add as much as we want. So mover BP, and then we'll make instance and exposed on pawn, and we'll check the equals validity like so. Perfect. So it is mover equals true, so which is cool. So if it's that, then it actually unlocks something for us, otherwise not. So now if I check my mover, okay, like this, I can choose my this actor, so it's only going to be assigned with this one, it's not going to be work with something more. Okay, so if you want more, you can make an array and you can execute with that. Okay, once we have this thing, now we want to give some unlock. Okay, so once the mover will done, it should be give us something in unlock. Okay, like any platform should be unlocked or something. So we can give something like this. Okay, and also we're going to do this thing too, that once done, so it's not going to be work anymore. So from this one we can actually get some return point and do whatever we want. Now from this one, it's more like now it's become dynamic. So now if I even keep some more, but that's not going to be work, because we have already give the mover that which mover only this will be accept. Okay, otherwise it will not accept the others mover. So I guess that is enough for today. See you in next tutorial part, and take care and bye bye.